Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to do a quick review for you on this Louar Dehumidifier. So I've had it for about a week or so now, so just wanted to give an update. One of the things that I really love about it is it's actually really quiet compared to a lot of other dehumidifiers I've had a chance to try out. I do like that a lot. The size, it's really compact, which makes it really easy to move around the house. It does come on casters, they roll really smooth, so that's cool. Some of the features to tell you about, it has two speeds, a high and a low. It's on right now. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but this is low speed, and I just turn it to high speed. So again, I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm going to turn that back to low for now. It also has a timer that you can set in 1 hour increments. Again, I know a lot of other types of timers on these appliances, they go for either 4, 8, or 12 hours, sometimes 24-hour sets. This one you can set it anywhere from 0 up to 24 hours. So, you have that flexibility. And then you have three different drying or dehumidifying functions on here. So you have dehumidify, you have dry, and you have continuous. And to be honest, I didn't actually know which was for which, so I had to look it up and figure it out. So I guess um, dehumidify would be, I think it was for maybe like closets or something like that. And then drying would be somewhere where you might not need it to be as dry. I don't know. And then you have continuous run. But anyway, the features of it, it looks really nice and it's quiet. So I definitely say for the price of it compared to other ones, it's a winner.